In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file from Google Drive and include the link on your resume. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it straightforward and incredibly useful, especially when you're looking to showcase your work or projects to potential employers. First, let's start by navigating to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your browser and heading over to drive.google.com. Once you're logged into your account, you'll land on the Google Drive homepage. This is where you'll see all your stored files and folders neatly organized. If you're not already logged in, just enter your Google account details to proceed. Now that you're on your Google Drive homepage, take a moment to locate the file you want to share. This could be anything from a document to a presentation that you believe highlights your skills and abilities. Once you've found it, it's time to take the next step. Hover over the file with your mouse and right-click on it. A menu should pop up with various options. Here, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Share. This is a key part of the process because it allows you to manage who has access to your file. Hover over Share and another small dialog box should appear. It's designed to give you options to either send the file directly to individuals via their email or generate a shareable link. This is what we're after. In this dialog box, you're looking for the Copy Link button. Before clicking it, ensure that the link settings suit your needs. Typically, it's advisable to set the permissions to anyone with the link can view unless you want to restrict access further. Once you're satisfied with the settings, go ahead and click Copy Link. This action copies the direct URL of the file, which you can now easily paste anywhere you need. With the link copied, you're ready to add it to your resume. Open your resume file, which is ideally prepared in a format like Word or PDF. Find a spot where this link would fit naturally, perhaps under a section showcasing your projects or work samples. You can paste the link directly or hyperlink it to text that references the file. And there you have it. You've not only created a shareable link from Google Drive, but you've also integrated it into your resume, making it more interactive and informative. This can set your application apart and provide clickable insights into your work during job applications. Practice this a few times, and you'll have no problem using this skill whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.